I've just been making some bread and I used a bit too much flour, as you can see. It came out really, really wet, the dough, and so I panicked and used a bit too much flour to do the kneading and stuff. So that's proving over there. And I suddenly thought, oh, actually I could share this tip with you. So basically, this is, you know, a time when we can't afford to just waste flour. But obviously I've got like little bits of dough and stuff in it, so that's like, it's not ideal. So, scrape it off your surface. Ta-da. And then what we're going to do is sieve it, because it will then be flour again, basically, because the flour will just go through the sieve beautifully, and the dough will stay in the sieve and you'll be able to work the flour again. So that's very exciting. As you can see, I've got quite a lot there, and so what I'm just going to do is get my flour barrel and pop it in and sieve it back in. And then look, you've got lots of flour. There we go, look, there's the dough. So I'll probably just bake that. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful, and stay tuned because we're going to make tea soon. And it's basically, yeah, it's a really nice one. We normally do it as a barbecue salad, but we're just going to have a massive great bowl of it.